This is an NBC Connecticut Kids Connection digital exclusive. Proudly brought to you by ACES.
Welcome back to When I Grow Up. We love this segment on Kids Connection because this is our chance to find out what viewers like you are dreaming about doing when they grow up. The topic of today's show was so special, it took 2 viewers to tell us what it is. If you saw our previous episode, you'll remember these 2 young ladies.
I'm Kinsley. And I'm Sarah.
Do you remember what they wanted to be? Well, here's a big clue. They're dressed for the part.
And when we grow up, we want to be farmers.
In part 1 of this special 2-part episode, we learned about the history of farming and how important farming is to your family and families around the globe. Well, today we have a special treat. We're going to hear from a husband and wife raising their family on a farm right here in Connecticut.
We wanted to provide our family with the best food we could find. And soon enough, we fell in love with growing it.
I was always interested in growing things, as a kid, was kind of an amateur naturalist. I love plants, I love animals. When I became an adult, we did have other careers before farming. But once we were working together and starting our own business, it was something that really clicked.
It's something that I fell into, and I would have never imagined in a million years that I would become a farmer. But it makes me so happy. I never felt so close to having something so meaningful.
The height of the summer, we'll be working from 6 a.m. until 7 p.m. So they're definitely long days. We grow every kind of vegetable that you can think of that you can grow in New England. So that's asparagus and beans and peas and beets and carrots and what else? Kale and spinach and lettuce and corn and potatoes and
Brussels sprouts,
cabbage, radishes, everything you can think of. And then we do grow some fruit. We love to grow watermelons. So we actually just planted our watermelons last week, and cantaloupes. And then we also raise chickens for eggs. So we have 750 laying hens, and they're all living out on the grass. And we collect their eggs every day, and we also have pigs and cows.
If you think you'd like to be a farmer when you grow up, the Phillips have some helpful advice.
Go work on a farm.
Yeah, even as a volunteer, some farms will take volunteers. Also, start a vegetable garden. Anybody can do that, even if you don't have a sunny spot or a big yard or something. Try growing something that you like in a box and fill it with soil and put it on your front porch. So just experiment.
You have to think of the farm as not just your job, but as your life. And so your kids will be part of the farm as well. They help with the farm, they help with the house, they help taking care of one another.
And also, it takes such a long time to learn how to be a good farmer that they say it just takes a lifetime. So people who grow up on a farm are going to be better farmers when they're adults.
I feel like we're giving them a joyful and purposeful childhood.
A very special thanks to Isabel and Roger Phillips for taking time out of their very busy schedules to talk to us about life as a farmer. Would you like to visit a farm someday? Have you ever dreamt about being a farmer? If not, send us a video telling us what you'd like to be, and you could appear right here on Kids Connection, just like Kinsley and Sarah. Be sure to ask your mom or dad for some help. Parents, remember to hold your phone horizontally when you record. And kids, if you're not comfortable being on camera, no worries, that's okay. You can send us a drawing or a painting of what you'd like to be, and your artwork could be featured right here on our show. Thanks for joining us for another episode of When I Grow Up. We'll see you back here for the next one. Until then, keep growing and keep dreaming.
Hi, boys and girls. It's First Alert meteorologist Caitlin McGrath. Now, I know we've had some really nice summer-like weather, but did you know it's not even officially summer yet? Summer technically starts this Saturday at 5:43 p.m. during the summer solstice. So what's the summer solstice? It's the longest day of the year when the Earth's North Pole is tilted closest to the sun. That's going to give us 15 hours, 12 minutes, and 50 seconds of daylight on Saturday. The most we'll see, all year. Happy summer!
Hola kids, I'm Ceci del Carmen from Telemundo, Connecticut, and I'm going to teach you Spanish words on Kids Connection. The Spanish word for today is azul, which means blue. Can you say it with me? Azul. Very good. Until next time, adios. Goodbye.
Here at Kids Connection, we love to see your pictures and videos. Here are our friends, Jacqueline and Josephine. Isn't their hand art beautiful? Great job, girls! After watching Kids Connection, Easton learned how to make pigs in a blanket. Don't they look delicious? And what do you want to be when you grow up? Ella shared her plans with us.
Hi, I'm Ella. When I grow up, I want to work for NASA or be a comedian.
We know you'll be a great success, Ella. If you'd like to be featured on Kids Connection, have an adult send a video or photo to share it at NBCConnecticut.com. Thank you for watching this NBC Connecticut Kids Connection digital exclusive. Make sure to come back each week for all new videos. Proudly brought to you by ACES.